A customer brought their vehicle in, stating that the check engine light was on. To confirm the issue, I connected a scan tool and retrieved two fault codes: P296, Post-Catalyst Fuel Trim System 2 Lean, Bank 1, and 196, O2 Sensor Signal Biased, Stuck Rich, Bank 1 Sensor 1. These codes suggested an issue with the oxygen sensor or the fuel trim system. To investigate further, I performed a road test while monitoring live data from the scan tool. I focused on the oxygen sensor, Bank 1 Sensor 1 parameter, and noticed that the reading was fixed and not fluctuating as it should. This indicated that the sensor was not responding properly to changes in the air-fuel mixture. Next, I inspected the oxygen sensor, B1-S1 wiring harness and connector to check for any visible damage, loose connections or corrosion. Everything appeared normal, so I proceeded with electrical testing. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to check for voltage and ground at the oxygen sensor connector. Both were present, confirming that the circuit was receiving the necessary power and ground. To verify the condition of the sensor itself, I used the multimeter to test the continuity of the oxygen sensor, B1-S1. The test revealed that there was no continuity, which indicated that the sensor was faulty and unable to perform its function. The oxygen sensor is crucial for monitoring the air-fuel mixture and ensuring optimal engine performance and emissions control. When the sensor fails, it can cause the engine to run inefficiently, trigger fault codes, and illuminate the check engine light. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty oxygen sensor B1-S1 with a new one that met manufacturer specifications. After completing the replacement, I cleared the fault codes and performed another road test to ensure the repair was successful. The engine ran smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. Replacing the oxygen sensor restored proper engine performance and ensured that the vehicle met emission standards. This repair resolved the customer's concern and prevented potential long-term issues with the engine and emissions system.